Hello, how are you today, Mr. Internet? Well, I'll have you know, I'm a Canadian dishwasher, and I haven't been washing dishes because I've been talking to you guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm the Dishwasher. Dishwasher Entertainment. I will entertain you with the dishes. I'm an artist. Not just a dishwasher, an artist too. So my channel is going to be about this stuff. And it's going to be about me rapping. Because I have a habit of rapping. Rapping to me is like crack to a cracker. When you quit for a second, if I ever did, then you better be back at it. Dishwasher! Dishwasher! Well, thank you for coming to hang out with me today. If you like, you can share, and you can subscribe. That'd be kind of nice.